Hey, it's Ben. I have this portable speaker. It was sent to me by the company in exchange for this review. So let's take it out of the box, see what's inside, see what it does, and test it out. All right, so here's what's in the box. User manual, 2 microphones, wireless, a shoulder strap, USB-C charger wire, an auxiliary audio cable, and the speaker. Okay, so taking a quick look, has a carrying handle, which really helps with the portability. The handle can fold all the way back and it can go upright, but it does not go beyond upright. There's nothing on the back. There are rubber grips to help with sitting on tabletops. When you first switch it on, you can see the LED lights and really make this thing fun right off the bat. The shoulder strap can be attached by using these slots. So you stick it through the slot, fasten it back through the buckle. All right, let's quickly go through some of the features on the controls here. First of all, you can have an instrument input or a wired mic input, but the wireless mics do work without that. You can run MP3s off a USB or a TF card. You can also plug in headphones, and you can disable the speaker by using the headphone monitoring button. You can plug in an auxiliary cord, and this is where you charge it with the USB-C. And you have the power button, master treble and bass. You can control reverb and instrument volume. When you're running off Bluetooth, you can use the next, previous, and the play and pause buttons, as well as the numbers to select the track you want to play directly. There is an LED function, so you have up to 9 different light effects on the speaker. LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then after 8, it will just turn off, so you can have it off altogether. There's a voice change feature, priority mic feature, which lets the microphone come up over the music. Really cool feature is accompany. So on a stereo track, this will remove the center audio of your track and simulate a karaoke track if you don't have one to sing with for the song you like. You can tap the mode button to switch between Bluetooth
mode,
and auxiliary.
AUX mode.
On the front of the device, we have the microphone level right here and the master volume level right here. And the display does indicate what you're doing. It gives you a little bit of a readout. So that's a quick overview of some of the best features that this offers. The microphones do require AA batteries, so this twists open. You can put the batteries in the bottom there. Power up the mics. Okay, so I'm going to try out the microphone. I'm going to put my mic next to the speaker, and we'll test out the mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Sound effect 1. Sound effect 2.
Sound effect 3. Sound effect 4.
Sound effect off.
Sound effect off. This mic sounds really good, I think. It has a plus and a minus, and this affects the gain of the mic, so you can make it less sensitive or more sensitive, and this is different than the volume of the mic. Got that sunshine in my pocket, got that gustle in my feet, I feel that hot blood in my body. You remember the 21st night of September, love was changing the minds of pretenders. An equal opportunity to sing, dance, and clap their hands. I mean, this is a really awesome little machine. The speaker is pretty decent for the size. It doesn't put out a whole lot of low end, but it's pretty decent. Microphones sound pretty good. It sounds like there's some kind of automatic limiter in there, so it keeps the sound a little bit nice and clean. It has some great features for karaoke. Pretty much most devices are compatible with this because of all the input options. And the LED light, and just makes it a lot of fun. This is great. You can have 2 people singing at once. And I think this is just a fantastic little portable speaker. And I hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching.